Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio, and today I'm working in my paint chip journal, paint chip tag journal, mini art journal, flip book, whatever we want to call it, right? So these next couple of pages, actually this one is the last 4 pages that I do. They're all pretty simple, quick little ideas. This was the last ones that I did in order. And I don't know if I mentioned this in an earlier video, but I did this whole thing in one day. And I think by the end here, I was running out of ideas or just tired. So I wouldn't suggest marathoning a little art journal, even this size. Anyway, so I'm still using Gina B. Aaron's designs, stuff that I've purchased or gotten as a member of her design team from her Etsy store. A link to her store will be in the description box below, and these are one of my favorite stamps of hers. I love her arrows, and I stamped the first ones right on, and then I decided I liked stamping it on that paper, which is also a digi-download from her store, and I don't know, I just thought it stood out a little bit more. So I proceed to redo the other 2 right on that paper as well. And I don't make you watch me fussy cut those. We're just gonna cover up the previous stamp. And I'm not really, at this point, I'm not really making an effort to hide the fact that this is a paint chip. You can still see the numbers and the name of the colors and all that. But I think that's okay. I have been asked to make a paint chip journal in real time, so that the person that asked me, she'd like to see it in real time with measurements. So I will be doing that. At the time of this voiceover, I have not done it yet. I went to the hardware store and got me some paint chips so I can do it. But it may or may not air before this particular video, so I will link it below. So if you want to see how it was made in real time, there will be a link to that. And then I'll have a link to the playlist of all the other pages. If you have missed any, are curious, or want to see the original, the first video. Anyway, this is number 7, so there's a few. They're all pretty quick. This one is a little bit longer because I did all 4 pages. But like I said, these are real simple, quick, and I'm using all Gina B. Aaron's products on these last few pages. I'm pretty sure they're all hers. This is more of her painty paper and digi-download. And then the circle, she has, you can buy a digital download of some of her art, and they're done on round sticker. You can match them up with Avery round sticker labels and make them stickers. I just had them on plain paper because I didn't have the labels, but you can just cut them out and glue them on just like I did if you want. I really like her round ones. I actually made some of my own because I thought that would be fun. And there's that one, just real simple, like I said. Okay. And this next one is super simple. It is basically 2 stamps. So that one, it's one of her stamp sets, and then a bird stamp, which I had done a long time ago and colored with colored pencil, and it was just in my bits and pieces collection, and I thought it went really well right there. So there we go. I decided it was so simple I had to at least give it a frame. And voila! Oh yeah, and I colored up her little dot, her little circle-y things on her stamp. There we go. And this one is more of her stuff. I don't know if this one's still available in her Etsy store. She does change things up a bit. It was like part of a journal, which she draws and journals at the same time, which is awesome. And I like her drawings, so I figured I would collage them together on this final page. Whoops. Had a weak point. But we'll just glue it on anyway. Now, on this journal, I worked around that ribbon a lot. I think I have an idea of a way to hide the ribbon. So when I do the real-time version of making it, I'm going to try the hidden ribbon version. That's my plan anyway. So I get this little window frame on here, and it's all pretty flat. Like you can't tell what's inside, what's outside. So I go around with a micron and just sort of outline the window so you can tell what's in front. I think I decided at one point that it's still not enough contrast, so I go through and darken those lines even more. I think I do this, and then I go and grab a brush pen and really make them dark. Probably didn't need to go that dark. Yep, here it is. Going in with a brush pen. Anyways, that is pretty much it. Real simple, real basic. At the end here, I will have a flip through of all the pages in case you missed any or just want to see what else was created. Just adding a little bit more brown to my window frame. Some stuff just won't stay down. Okay. And there we go. So I hope you liked the pages. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And here's the little walkthrough. If you are not already a subscriber and would like to see more from me, please subscribe. Leave a comment, share with your friends. And thank you all so much for watching.